Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 5th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to become a better trader or investor. But I am not a financial advisor. Still, please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir slowly but surely up 22 cents, almost 1%, closed at 22.52. Post-market, we seem to be down by 2 cents. Who cares? So basically, this is a green candle, same length of wick at the top than at the bottom. What is special today is, look at this. I cannot make this up. The high of the day was at 22.77 when our resistance was at 22.75. So that's pretty much precisely on the spot. So basically we have touched resistance. So are we going to cave in the next few days? It's possible that we cave in and go back to this support here. Let's hope that the stock has some stamina. The fact that we touched the resistance does not mean that we are automatically going down. We could be touching it for several days or going a little bit lower, then going a little bit higher. So there are plenty of possibilities. We are still in this channel. So this is the resistance of the channel. This is the support of the channel. And since we have the resistance at 22.75, this means that we are in a ascending triangle. So the stock is going to get stuck between the climbing support and the resistance, and something's gonna have to happen. Let me go to the 1 hour chart to see something. Wow, look at this. Really strong first hour, green, super green, and then we touched on the 3rd hour and then pulled back a little bit. We did not pull back as much as 50% of the candle, so that's positive, but nice green candle at the beginning. So this is a pattern that we see. Look at this here, August 4th, August 3rd, July 30th. So there are some people, I think, that are accumulating Palantir right now at this level, and they are buying first thing in the morning, and then during the rest of the day, the stock market just does its thing. Quite interesting to see. Let's go to the daily chart. So let's look at the indicators. Stochastic is at 66.89, so climbing in the red zone over 50. So we are happy to see this. So this deserves a green thumb up. I'm going to put that right there. MACD is crossing even more. We crossed around August 2nd. So we crossed and the two lines are getting farther apart. So this is a nice sign, and they are also going towards 0. This is nice. And in terms of the DMI, red line is decreasing, the green line is increasing. So we could not ask for much more, but I think that we are going to have some action soon because we are going to reach the end of this ascending triangle soon, within several days. So we are going to see some action at some point. And of course, obviously, we have the earnings on August 12th, so this will provide also some interesting action. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. Please join me. Please join this YouTube channel as a member, and then you will have exclusive access to my weekly recap videos that I do on the weekend. It's only $5. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.